A YouTube channel has published new images of what might just be the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The folks over at Tech Talk TV claim to have obtained via Instagram several images of what is purported to be the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The first image, shown above, clearly shows a new look device that appears to have come from Samsung. It shows a device with a slightly curved screen and a single hole punch at the top where the front-facing camera will live. Interestingly, you won't find an earpiece on the device, which suggests that the rumors are true and Samsung is indeed planning a sound display in the handset that will use the screen to deliver earpiece audio. Another photo shows the Galaxy Note 10 Plus branding, suggesting the device is the higher-end version of Samsung's smartphone. It's worth noting that the branding also suggests that the higher-end version won't be known as the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, as some rumors have claimed. Moving on, the images clearly show a screen that nearly entirely covers the face of the device, but there is a small chin, which looks somewhat larger than you'd find in other Samsung handsets. The rear of the device is somewhat difficult to see in a blurry photo, but there's clearly a triple lens camera array in the vertical alignment. There's also a flash to the side, which follows rumors. Beyond that, there's not much else to write home about on the rear. The version in the photo is black, though Samsung will likely offer other options. It's unclear from the photos what the sides of the device look like and how thick it'll be. There's also no mention of the S Pen stylus, so we can't say for sure whether it's been redesigned or has new functionality. Moreover, it should be noted that we can confirm that the device in the video is the real deal. Quite the contrary, it could be a fake based on rumors. And Samsung, of course, won't be saying what it has planned, but it certainly appears to be real and follows much of what we've heard before, so there's a chance that it could be authentic. Either way, look for more on the Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the coming weeks as we get closer to its eventual launch.